Meaning of generously.
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 Generously. Generously means to act in a way that is liberal, giving, or kind without expecting anything in return. When someone behaves generously, they often do so with an open heart and without hesitation. This can take various forms, such as giving to charity, sharing possessions, or volunteering time to help others. By acting generously, people can bring positivity and kindness into the world, building stronger connections between individuals and communities. Ultimately, living generously can lead to a sense of fulfillment and meaning in life, as well as a more compassionate and caring society.